Okay, this is on the Killpack job, number 54313, installed on 8/28. So if you come downstairs, they have a furnace room with two furnaces. Only one has AC, so that tells you what one we're doing. They do have a basement access, and the AC unit is over there on that side. Okay, so our new unit will sit 26 inches from this wall. Pretty much sit exactly where it's at. 6 3/4 inches from the back wall. We'll have our unit, we'll sit on a 9-inch base. We're going to have a 4-inch canvas, so it's going to be short. And then starting collar transition. Okay, we're going to have a 25 by 29 filter box, 5 inches wide. And I just have so this duct is actually 38 1/4 inches wide. So rather than just tap in our filter box, I made a 1 3/4 which will be 2 total by the time you get the OCP on it, transition to flare out. So I have a cut line here, and then 1 inch from each of the other 3 sides. Okay, the bottom is coming forward 5 3/4. Sorry, bottom is going back minus 5 3/4. Okay. And that's going to be tight, so, obviously, yeah, you go. So combustion air, not applicable. They do have one. Oh, where did I see it? It's not applicable from what we're doing. Oh, there it is right there. We're not doing anything with the water heaters, so you can see they've removed one water heater and not the vent. But I'm not even touching that since we're not doing anything with the flues. Anyway, the vent you're going to tie into the existing 3-inch PVC. So check the slope. Looking at it, it looks like it might be sloped, but not very much. So when you redo this, I would even drop it down more to, just make sure you have good slope. Okay, so the gas. So I have a cut line right here on the supply, edge to edge there, and then 1 inch from the back. So this starting collar is going to be in the way of our gas pipe's going to be in the way of our starting collar, I believe. So we're going to remove and reuse this gas pipe up to the caulk. So take this off, and then you're going to add a 3/4 close, a 90, a 3-inch piece, and a 90, and then retap this in to there to get it lower, and then just reuse all this. So 3/4 close, 90, then reuse. Then from the caulk, you're going to add a close, a T4 with a cap, flex, and then give you a 2, 90, and a 14 if needed to the gas valve. Okay, air conditioner. I'm not going to walk out there. So you're going to flush the 7/8 lines. I'll order you, replace the Rubitex as needed. I'll order you 6 feet of 7/8 Rubitex, mainly needed outside. reuse the existing concrete pad. So the existing breaker in the panel is a 50 amp. So we need to reuse the existing disconnect, but put I wrote 30, but I meant to write 40. Put a 40 amp QO breaker. I'm going to change that right now. Alright, let's see, where was that? Put a 40, not a 30. Okay. Okay, add labels. I'm going to make 3 labels that say AC breaker and outside disconnect. Put one on the breaker panel, one on the AC unit, and one on the outdoor unit. So the breaker panel is in this room here, right behind the furnace, right there. TMB, and it's it's one of those quad breakers. So okay, anywho, drain just to the floor. So just tie into the existing 3/4 inch PVC that wraps around and goes to a floor drain over there. Oh, so on the AC, if you can, pull a new wire, tie onto it, because it's only 2 wire. But I'm going to give you a transformer because it's quite a ways out there, just in case you can't pull a new wire. So thermostat, gonna add an S40 thermostat. Power, reuse the existing box. Give you 2 box connectors. And that's it.